there will be 2 Cool Wallet Pro giveaway campaigns that's going to happen, and we will be giving away those prizes to 2 winners. What's up guys, in this video we will be checking what you could find in the Cool Wallet Pro app, and you could also go ahead and check out the previous video that we created with the unboxing of this cool wallet. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Cool Wallet. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So we also covered this in the previous video. So let me go ahead and show you all the products that they have in their website, and you can go ahead and check those out. So they also have collaborations with different projects like this one, Metavisions by Neontonic, and then San Benito, and all those good stuff. So the design of the Cool Wallet is what's different. All right, okay. So this is the app itself, guys, this one. So you also have it right here. I have it shared on screen. So this is the landing page of the app. Once you open it, on top you will see that you also have cold wallet and you have the hot wallet available. All right. So for this one, we have the cold wallet since we have the actual hardware wallet. Okay, you have all those tokens available here, and then you can add specific tokens of your choice. So if you click on manage, it will show you this. And if you click on the plus sign, it will let you add tokens. So you could enter the token name or the contract address or the network. So you have all those available tokens right here, okay? And the good part about this one, guys, is in the app itself, you have the marketplace. When you tap that, it will show you what's popular. So as you can see here, this one's right here. You have staking, earn rewards while you hodl. You have Wallet Connect, you have X staking, you have Crypto Swap, Crypto Purchase, BTC Direct, and you have MetaMask as well. And yes, you can connect this to MetaMask. All right, so you also have Rabbi in there as well, and you have news that you could go ahead and check out. So 1 week before potential spot Bitcoin ETF approval, everything you need to know, yada yada. You have all those trending news available inside the app. All right, and then once you click on this one right here, the bottom part, you have the browser. Okay, so it will show you that you could explore Web3 in this application. All right, so you have blockchain, you have OKLink, you have Cool Wallet, Revoke.cash, and all those good stuff. You also have this help. Okay, so you supported blockchains on Cool Wallet built-in browsers. You have all these networks. And of course, it will also let you see the history, which I don't have in histories yet because I've yet to send and deposit crypto inside this Cool Wallet Pro app. And then you also have the settings. Okay, so you have the security settings, clear browser cache, you have address book, fiat currency switcher, and all those good stuff. And if you are a vlogger also, guys, you could be an affiliate with Cool Wallet. So you could add this link and earn from that. All right, so those are the top things that you can find inside the Cool Wallet app. Guys, there will be 2 Cool Wallet Pro giveaway campaigns that's going to happen, and we will be giving away those prizes to 2 winners who will share good reviews or opinions on the Cool Wallet under this video. All right, so go ahead and start commenting and invite your friends to do so as well, and good luck to every one of you. And again, guys, this is the website of Cool Wallet. You can go ahead and check them out, coolwallet.io. You have all the information right here, and check out the previous video that we created with the unboxing and the review of the website for coolwallet.io. And of course, guys, please stay until the end screen and check out those videos. I'm sure those will be beneficial in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.